Introducing Service on Wheels. Pre-qualified, certified and trained professionals for repair and maintenance requirements for businesses. Admin heads want to ensure R&M services across categories are attended to on an urgent basis and nothing is left pending. But the unavailability of specific category technicians at the time of a breakdown or urgent requirement leaves admin teams with unattended tasks and chaos. ProTaiga's Service on Wheels takes care of all these challenges by giving a complete package for R&M services, be it AC repairing, tank cleaning, facade cleaning, electrical work, or chair shampooing. ProTaiga covers it all. Categories across repairs and maintenance, soft services, AMC management for hard services, and many more. Just log in, click to book, and consider the job done. Service on Wheels. Book the right technician at the right time.